What's up, UHS Hardware fans? It's me, Louie, here today installing a new dash cam from KeylessFactory. It's going to be a brand new device, easy to get, easy to purchase. Right at our website right now at uhs-hardware.com. Let me show you how to get it done. It takes a few minutes to set it up, plug and play, really easy to do. A couple of cords here, vertical back, hide them, it'll be done and set up, and you have all the security you need for whatever vehicle you need to set up for in just a few minutes. Easy to set up, easy to use. Let's do it together. Let's check it out. Come on, guys. To begin with, remove the adhesive sticker and place it with the rear camera. Connect the large end of the GPS USB cable to the cigarette lighter input. Then feed your wire up to the location where you plan to install the camera. Plug the wire in to make sure power is current and the wire is okay. The red light lets you know that the power is on. Once we have power set up, we're going to go ahead and head back to our computer and download and install the necessary files to set up the GPS system on the camera itself. Insert it into the camera and it will automatically start to install and download all necessary files to set up the GPS system. As soon as you plug power back in, the red LED light will stay solid for a few seconds. Once it changes color, the install is complete. Once it's complete, the camera will reformat the card automatically in order to perform everyday recording. Plug in the auxiliary camera cable and run the cable towards the rear of the vehicle, making sure to connect the camera last so you make sure you have enough wire to reach all the way back. This install does not have to be permanent, it just needs to be able to be hidden outside of view, so I'm just sticking it underneath the weather stripping for a temporary time. Connect the wire at the camera and position it as you need, and then you're complete. After this, we can download the VDoor Universal Dash Cam Viewer app. After installing the VDoor app, go ahead and set up your camera by going into the Add Camera setting. Once the camera is powered on, simply search for your camera using the Wi-Fi on your phone. Select the camera from the information inside the install instructions using the passcode 12345678 at start. If you want to update your password or the name of your Wi-Fi, go ahead and do so in the settings section of the camera app after you're done with this process. After initial setup, go on into the camera, make sure your SD card is installed or you can't go any further to see any of your files. Upon clicking the button, you get a live feed of what the camera sees at this moment. I have mine plugged into the computer at the time, so you'll see my office. Now I'm going to go ahead and look into the files on the camera. When you're ready, select the video you want to see and download it for the best watching experience. Download time may vary based off your internet connection or location. And just like that, you'll get a clean view of what your recent driving history was, as well as what locations you inhabited with the GPS built into the cable connecting to the camera. Within the settings area, you can adjust the recording Sounds, you can adjust the speaker volume, video resolution to 2.7K or 1080p, adjust the loop recording options, take it from 1 minute or longer if you desire, your exposure compensation to make sure the camera can deal with any light conditions given to it. You can set up your collision sensitivity to make sure that the camera turns on automatically when a collision is detected. After just adding a couple wires, setting a couple things, a little bit of software setup, this is an easy camera to set up. Very easy to use, plug and play, go to your computer, download whatever you need to check out. All you need is an SD card and you're good to go. Find your cameras from KeylessFactory. Go ahead and go to uhs-hardware.com. Also, make sure you check out everything else we have going on sale, anything going on right now at our website. Make sure you like this video and follow our channel. Also, make sure you click that bell icon so every time a new video comes out, you know as soon as it happens. Thank you again for coming by and checking out our videos. We can't do this without you guys. We really appreciate you. Once again, I'm Louie, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.
We're UHS Hardware, the #1 wholesaler of locksmith and security supplies.